Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna and welcome to CodeWithBK. So in this video, we write a Java program to reverse the case of letters in a string. So before we begin, it is a request that if you like this video, if you find this helpful, please do subscribe to my channel because out of 100 viewers, only one is subscribed and your subscription is very important for me to grow on YouTube. Alright, let's begin. So suppose I take a string S which is Virat Kohli. Okay, and I want to reverse the case of letters in the string. That is, I want to change all the lowercase letters to uppercase letters and all the uppercase letters to corresponding lowercase letters, and all the characters which are not letters remain as it is. Okay, so if I say add an exclamation mark here, okay, so what do I expect out of my program? I want the cases to be reversed for all letters. So this is uppercase V changes to lowercase v, lowercase I changes to uppercase I. Similarly, RAT, okay, space remains the same, okay, uppercase K goes to lowercase k, lowercase o goes to uppercase o, uppercase H, uppercase L, uppercase I, and exclamation remains the same, okay. Alright, so all lowercase letters are converted to uppercase letters, or uppercase letters are converted to lowercase letters, and all the characters which are not letters remain as it is. So we need a way to arrive to this from this. So I'm going to write this string again here. I'm going to say S is equals to, okay, and for this string I have indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This space is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In Java, strings are immutable. That is, if I have a string like this, I cannot change the individual characters, any individual character in this string. This will stay as it is. If I want this string, I will have to start with a blank string and I'll have to add characters to that blank string so that it becomes this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say reverse of cases string is a blank string. Okay, short for reverse of cases of string. Okay, I need to iterate left to right. Okay, I picks up value 0, 1, 2 till 10. Okay, picks up each index of this string. Okay, so if this ch is s of I, okay, so I'm storing the ith character of this string into this variable ch, and according to my requirement I just need to reverse the case of letters. Okay, so first I check if ch is a letter, that is, it is an uppercase or lowercase letter. We have functions for that. Okay, if this is yes, it is a letter, or the other possible case is no. If this is letter, reverse, okay, case of ch and add to RCS, or I'll say and append. Okay, that is, you need to add at the end. Okay, else if this ch is not a letter, I as it is append ch to RCS. Okay, this is what we are going to follow. We iterate s from left to right. Okay, I takes value 0 to 10. Okay, all the indices for this string. Okay, in each iteration I pick up the ith character in this variable ch. I check if this is a letter. If this is not a letter, I append it to RCS, which started with blank. I append ch to RCS as it is. Else I reverse the case of this ch and append to RCS. And now let's see how we do all this in the code. Okay, so I'll take a function string reverse case of chars in string s. Okay, so this method takes a string s and reverses the cases of the letters in this string, okay, as we discussed, and it returns the updated string. Okay, so for this case, if we get this string in this s, we return this string, okay, as the return value. Okay, so first thing I have to do is I take this RCS blank string, so I'll say string RCS is a blank string. Okay, then I iterate this given string s from left to right, so I say for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Okay, alright. Okay, so I is taking all these indices for this given string, and for each index I get the ith character in ch, so I say char, this is going to be a single character, and to get the ith character in this string s, we use caret method, so we say s dot caret. Okay, so we are here. Okay, now we need to check if ch is a letter. So there are multiple ways in Java programming to check if ch is a letter. I am going to use this static function in the character class. So basically to check if ch is a letter, okay, I will do if character dot is letter and I'll pass ch. So this is the character class in Java, and is letter is a static function in this character class that takes a character and checks if this is a letter or not. Okay, it is between A and Z, both uppercase and lowercase case inclusive. If this is true, if ch is a letter, I reverse the case else. Okay, so I'll say else part here. Okay, the else part was if this ch is not a letter, the else part was append ch to RCS. So I'll say RCS plus equal to ch. This will append ch to the end of this string RCS. Okay, all right. We come to this part. If ch is a letter, okay, we check. We reverse the case of ch. Okay. So if ch is uppercase, we change it to lowercase. If ch is lowercase, we change it to uppercase. Again, we use functions in character class. Okay, I can say character dot is lower case ch. Okay, and then else. Okay, that is if this is a lowercase character, I change it to uppercase. So I can say ch is character, again the function in character class to uppercase, pass ch. Okay, so to uppercase is a static function in character class that takes a character and converts it to uppercase. Okay, and returns it. So ch now becomes uppercase, and then we add it to RCS. RCS plus equal to ch. Okay, else part is the part where character is not a lowercase, that is it is an uppercase. So we convert it to lowercase. We do character to lowercase ch. Okay, and when we do RCS plus equal to ch. Alright, so these are the functions of the character class. Okay, and these are helpful in operations like these. Okay, when you have to deal with characters. Okay, there is an alternative way to check if character is a letter or not. You can check if ch is greater than or equal to lowercase a and ch is less than or equal to lowercase z. This will check for lowercase, okay, letters, or ch equal to greater than or equal to uppercase a and ch less than or equal to uppercase z. Okay, so either this condition or this condition, that is either ch is lowercase letter or ch is uppercase letter, that is including both these conditions. If ch is a letter, will be an alternate condition for this. Okay, and if you want to check if it is lowercase, you can just use this first one. Okay, this will check for lowercase. Okay, else part you can use uppercase. Okay, one final thing is to return this value. So I'll say before the function closes, return RCS. Okay, all right. So when you get a string this, okay, which is this, and we need to reverse all the case of the letters, we have to return this. So this value is RCS is returned. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful. So before we move on to a system and check all this, it is a request that if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, because your subscription is very important for me to grow on YouTube. Okay, now let's move on to running this on a system now.
So this is the code we discussed and wrote, and this is the method reverse case of string. Takes a string s and reverse the case of letters in the strings and returns it. Okay, so I've taken one test case where s equal to Virat Kohli, and we run it. So Java C, Java. So reverse case of this is this. Okay, you can see uppercase v changing to lowercase v, lowercase letters changing to uppercase letters, and similarly space and exclamation mark, which are not letters, they remain the same. So I also told you that you can use ASCII value comparisons to check if ch is a letter or not. So instead of this, you can do if, okay, the first one is going to be for lowercase and ch is less than or equal to z. Okay, so if ch is between lowercase a and lowercase z, it means it's a lowercase letter, or if it is between uppercase a and uppercase z, it is an uppercase letter. Okay, similarly instead of this, okay, you can simply use this uppercase condition. Okay, and in place of this else part, you'll have to have else if ch is lowercase, that is, okay, we do to uppercase. So let me run this as well. Oops, there's something wrong. Oh, we missed this. Okay, so let me run this now. Java. Reverse case of this is this, which is exactly the same. Okay, let me take one more case. Sachin R Tendulkar. Okay, Java C, Java. All right, output is correct again. So this was the solution to this problem, and I hope this was helpful. So if you like this video, if you found this helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comments if there was anything not clear to in this video, if there is a question you want me to solve, or if there's a concept you want me to discuss. Thank you.